Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining me for this quick and effective morning yoga practice for that little boost of energy that will last you throughout your entire day. You don't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and when you're ready, let's begin. So let's meet by bringing ourselves into tabletop, on the hands and the knees. Inhaling as we look forwards, we drop the belly, and exhale the chin to the chest, we round out the spine. Just opening our practice this morning with some cat-cows. Inhaling forwards and exhaling under. Focus on lengthening the breath here. Rolling smoothly through the spine. Inhaling as we open up the chest. Exhaling, rounding up to the sky. And then eventually coming back into center, we'll take the knees wide and start to make some big circles with the entire body. So dropping your bum back towards your heels and then circling the weight forwards over the wrists. This movement can be as big or as small as feels good for you today. Remembering at some point to switch the direction, take those big circles in the other way, just allowing the body to move freely. And then eventually sitting the bum back on the heels as we tent the fingertips, walk them forwards and take your chest and your forehead down towards your mat. Feel that stretch in the upper back. Maybe we walk the fingers off to the right. And then maybe come through center, walk them over to the left. Good, slowly return through center. And then eventually return back to your tabletop. We'll tuck the toes under and lift those hips up and back for a downward facing dog. Pedaling out the feet while we're here. Strong through the arms. Working any tension, any tightness away from your hamstrings, away from your back. Maybe coming to stillness and letting the head nod or shake. Releasing any tension from your neck. Deep breaths. And then take a deep bend through the knees, look forwards and make your way to the top of your mat. Let's meet in a forward fold. Holding opposite elbows and finding a gentle sway from side to side. Giving your entire spine this moment to decompress. Come back to stillness and hold on to the elbows as we rise up, lifting the arms up to the sky and shining your heart all the way up. Maybe coming back to that movement side to side. Rolling open your shoulders. Breathing deeply. And then release the arms down by your sides. On your next inhale, reach the hands up and exhale, bend the knees, swing the arms down. So inhale as we lift, exhale as we swing. Just take a few of these here. Think about releasing anything that we no longer need, inviting in that energy. And then meet me in standing, fingertips up to the sky. Take a deep breath in and exhale to swan dive forwards into your forward fold. Inhale to a halfway lift, straighten the legs, look forwards. And then on your exhale, plant your hands and step back to your plank. Let's just find a little shift of the weight forwards and backwards here. So just rocking on those toes, warming up the wrists, and then coming back to center. Take a deep breath in and exhale to lower down. Inhale to find your cobra or upward facing dog, look forwards. And exhale to roll back, downward facing dog. Lift the right leg up to the sky and then step forwards in between your hands, lifting the fingertips up to a high lunge. Take a full round of breath here. And then hands back to the floor, find your plank. Take a chaturanga here. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lifting the left leg up and then stepping forwards in between your hands, rising to meet me in a high lunge. Take a full breath. And then hands back to the floor, step back to your plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then exhale to a downward facing dog. Release those heels back towards your mat. And then slowly lower the knees and sit back into kneeling. Fingertips are reaching up. And then we drop the right hand, reach the left arm over for a side body stretch. Coming back through center, and we'll go straight to the other side, reaching the right fingertips over and away. Back through center, and then lower your hands to heart center. Let's transition into our butterfly pose here. Soles of the feet together, the knees are wide. Take hold of your feet or your ankles and just let the knees flap open side to side. And then eventually finding a forward fold. Releasing your chest down towards your feet. Breathing into your lower back. After your next exhale, we can slowly release and come back into a comfortable seated position on your mat. You can be cross-legged, with hands resting on the knees, with eyes closed. And just allow your breath to settle down. Tell yourself, I am breathing in positivity. I am letting go what no longer serves me. I am breathing in positivity. And then whenever you're ready, gently open back up through your eyes. Bring the hands together at heart center and bow down to yourself, thanking yourself for your beautiful practice. And namaste, everyone. Please like this video if you liked and subscribe if you would like to see more from me. Namaste.